Hello, friends. I'm gonna apologize for looking like I've been crying. It's been a long morning, but you know what's making today better? My copy of the Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes just got here. I'm so excited. She's thick. I mean, like, logically, I figured she would be thick, because isn't it like 500 pages? Like, it's pretty long. But I didn't expect it to be quite as thick as it is. So I'm gonna go eat lunch, because it's about 1, and I had a doctor appointment this morning, and then I went and got stuff to decorate my grad cap. So I was at Michael's. And now I'm hungry, because I ate at 9, so I'm starving. But I'm gonna go eat lunch, and then we're gonna crack into this. Are you as excited as I am? I don't know if it's possible to be as excited as I am. Let's do it. Alrighty, hello. I'm about 155, 56 or something pages in to the Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes, which is insane. So I just finished part 1. So I'm about to start part 2, which is called The Prize, but I figured since I haven't actually vlogged any of the reading, I'd sit down for a couple minutes and chat with you about this. I really like it so far, and I know from what I've seen on the on Twitter, a lot of people are not feeling this one. They don't like it very much. And don't get me wrong, this is like a 540 page book or something. Oh, big truck. So there's there's plenty of time for me to change my mind. I'm 28% into the book, like percentage wise. So there's a whole lot of book left and a whole lot of book to maybe mess up. But at this point, I really like it. First of all, Lucy Gray, I adore her. I think she's phenomenal. She's so interesting. I want to know so much more about her. And I'm sad because I feel like I'm not going to get to know that much more about her. And that's a bummer to me. Also, what is his name? Forgot my favorite character's name. I'm a fake fan. I can't say it. That's why I forget it. He's the mentor for District 2 that's from District 2. Sejanus? In my brain, I think I say Sejanus. I forgot what it was like reading the Hunger Games books the first time and guessing how to pronounce all of those names, but I'm re-experiencing that. I remember, I always said Cena instead of Cinna, and I said Cato, but all my friends said Cato, and they used to tease me because they were like, "Why do you say Cato like that?" And then the movies came out, and I was like, "That's why I said Cato like that, asshole." But Sejanus, the one who was born in District 2 and spent his like early childhood in District 2, but then after the war, his family like moved to the capital. They got moved to the capital. And then now he has to mentor a boy that he knew. Oh, he's the character I really care about. I am invested in his story. Also, I just really like him as a person. Like, he seems like a really compassionate human being, which I appreciate. And our protagonist, who it's weird reading because you know logically that he becomes the worst TM. But at this point in the story, through the first part, he's not a bad person. He doesn't even really make like the worst choices in the world. Like, sure, a lot of it is self-serving, but like all in all, like he seems to care a lot. I was expecting him to be less likable than he is. I'll just leave it at that. Also, I got another Amazon package of books. And I'm gonna say it, for the record right now in this moment. Hiccup. I'm going on a book buying ban until July. Hello! I'm not entirely sure if I'm in frame right now because I'm just holding my camera. So I didn't actually end up reading any more yesterday because we had kind of like a family game night and then I got a little bit tipsy. But I want to like consciously remember everything that happens in the book. So I decided to wait until today, but now it's like 6 p.m. because I filmed for a few hours today and I'm house sitting and pet sitting for one of my family friends. So I've been filming and editing. Do you want to see the dog? The cats, you aren't in the room right now, but look how cute she is. That's Daisy. She's so cute and I love her. And evidently she's itchy right now. Yeah, so I ordered pizza from Mod Pizza. But I'm going to read until my pizza gets here, and then I'm going to eat my pizza. And then I'm going to read some more. And then maybe later tonight, I'll do some more editing. But I'm 2 videos ahead on editing. So, I'm not too stressed about it. But if all goes according to plan, but when does anything ever really go according to plan? If everything goes according to plan, I think I have 4 or 5 videos coming out this week. If everything goes according to plan. That's the operative word there. If. Yeah, so I'm going to read some more Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes. Yeah, let's do it. Y'all, that better not mean what I think that it means. What the fuck? What? I don't even know what to say about that. Like, there are no words. What the fuck? I'm on page 223. In case you were wondering. If I were going to be making any guesses, I think this scene, this conversation that I'm reading right now, might be the moral of the story. Or like the most, arguably, might be one of the most important scenes in the book. And I'm not even halfway through, so that obviously could change. I could be wrong. But I want to read you this line. It's not really a spoiler, but I just, it made me uncomfy, so I want everyone to suffer with me. Okay, so this says, "But take heart," Dr. Gall continued cheerfully. "Like most of life's circumstances, war has its ups and downs. And that's your next assignment. Write me an essay on everything attractive about war. Everything you loved about it." What the hell? Is anything attractive about war? Are we supposed to like war? I don't. Okay, we're just gonna move on, I guess. Is Snow a good person? Is he smart as hell? Yes. And that's on Snakes. I'm about halfway through, a little over halfway through. I'm on page 280 something out of 540. So, we're getting there. Gonna eat a snack and then keep going. It's like 10:40 p.m. or something. Is it 11:30? Wait, what? Just kidding, it's 11:30. I can read for at least 2 more hours. Really? Like, realistically? He's so obsessed with power, which makes sense both narratively and, as far as his character goes. But I just think it's so interesting, because I'm at this scene. Right now he's talking to Sejanus, whose name I still am not entirely sure how I'm supposed to pronounce. He's talking to his father. And Mr. Plinth is like, "You look like your father," and Snow is like, "Yeah, everyone always tells me that," and he's like, the resemblance is striking," and Snow is like, "Yeah, everyone says that," and then And then Mr. Plinth was like, but you're not like him at all. And he said, yeah, like, in his head, he was like, yeah, I'm poor and powerless. Like, it's just so interesting to me that, like, those are the things that he thinks is the most important. Also, when he was having his, like, existential crisis over, like, what his own motivations were, which, first of all, was kind of relatable, because I feel like everyone does that every once in a while, where they're like, why did I do the thing that I did? Was it because I'm a good person? Or did I have bad intentions? Like, what's happening? I don't know. It's very interesting. Food time! Yeah! To take a break to eat. I'm so annoyed because I want to mark this scene for when I'm doing my, like, sit-down talkie review, because I think this is, like, such an important theme so far in the book, and this line is perfect, but I'm not at my house and I don't have any of my little tab things. Well, shit. Bummer for me. I guess I can just write down the page and why and like what it is. Okay, I guess I'll do that. One of the kittens has come to say hi. Ooh. All right, team, we finished part 2. So we're gonna vague post a little bit because, like I said, I'm trying to avoid spoilers. I'm not surprised about how... Okay, I am surprised about who won. To be completely honest, I was not expecting that. I'm not surprised that Snow got caught doing the shit he was doing because he's intelligent, he's so smart, but also, like, he had to know he was gonna get caught doing some of the shit that he does, right? Like, you would have to know. But I am a little bit surprised about the, like, last line of part 3. Was not really what I was expecting. Cool, so I'm on what, page like 310? Open. Oh, just kidding. I'm on 300, I just finished page 320. It is 12:30 in the morn. So what? I have about 200 pages left. That's 2 hours of reading. So I can either read it tonight or finish it tomorrow, but I'm not tired. So I think I'm gonna read for another hour or so at least. Yeah. Oh, do you want to see the kitties? They're sleepy. Look at them. They're so cute. Alrighty, yeah, so we're barefaced and in bed. Let's keep going. Let's keep reading. Let's keep trying. Let's see how much we can get through. Maybe I'll finish it tonight. Wouldn't be the first time I've done that. I love Sejanus with my whole heart, and I'm honestly a little bit surprised he's not dead, but I'm so glad because I love him. I love him so much. I love him so much. He's so pure. He's such a good bean. God, if I have to eat those words at any point in the next 200 pages, I'm going to riot. Because he's a blessing. The last scene I just read made me think of that TikTok audio in Defense of My Baby. The, like, if you don't like me, that's fine. But watch your fucking mouth. That's how I feel. I'm like, don't be coming for my baby. I don't really care what he did. You leave him alone now. Yo, I'm gonna cry. She is coming for my feelings right now. The hanging tree? Really? You gotta do me like that? Okay, I'm going to keep going. Honestly, I'm probably going to finish it tonight because at this point I feel like stopping is dumb because I only have like 120 pages left or something. What? I just... I feel like my babe's not gonna make it out of this one. Which I've been feeling since like page 3. I'm like, this boy, he's not gonna make it, even though he's my favorite. Although, you know, sometimes our faves have to die. Rip Finnick O'Dare, the love of my life. So, oh, ow, that was my glasses. We're just vibing at what? Probably like 2 in the morning. What time are you? Yes, we are just vibing at 2:16 in the morning. I should not be dumb enough to try and finish this book, but I have a, like, what is it called? What are those? Oh my gosh, wow. I just, the last few days, really have not been able to figure out what the hell I'm trying to say. It's like, I'm gonna learn masterclass, maybe? That's not really the word I want to use, but that'll work. Like, with authors talking about diversity and complex characters at noon. And I have to get up in the morning and, you know, feed the dogs and take the dog out. Hiccup. And it's 2:16 and I still have over 100 pages left. But once again, I'm not tired, so I might as well keep reading. Because if not, I'll just stay on TikTok. So, what are you gonna do? This the part where I'm gonna get hurt. I knew this was coming, and I'm still upset about it. I freaking hate him so much. He's the worst. He's the worst, by the way. So yesterday, 2 days ago, whenever it was, when I said I was surprised at how likable he is, I stand by that, because at the beginning I don't like him. It's not that he's likable. He's just more likable than I expected him to be. I'm so upset. Okay. I only have like 60 pages left, so let's keep going. So I've been trying to figure out how I think this story ends. And I had a thought. I have an inkling. And it would be bold, but I wouldn't be surprised. So, we'll see. No. No. Yo, I spoke too soon. By like 2 pages. Yikes city, my dudes. I'm so close to the end, and I have no idea how the hell she plans on wrapping this up. I have hiccups again, Jesus. He's a horrible person, which I knew. I mean, this isn't news. But, like, who does that? Freaking, he's insane. Oh my goodness. Does he have human emotions? Or is he a mimic? Is that sociopathy? Is he a sociopath? I don't actually know. Don't quote me on that. I don't know quite enough about actual sociopaths to make that claim. But everything he does and all of the, like, emotions that he shows, except for, like, we see him show, like, real genuine emotion, like, 2 times in 500 pages. And basically all of those times are just when he's panicking because, like, for himself. Like, it isn't... He just doesn't care about other people at all. And he, like, does not feel remorse. He rationalizes all, like, everything that he's ever done wrong. He just rationalizes it. Well, I finished it. Okay. The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes. Yep, my initial thoughts, my introductory thoughts, because I'm also filming like a sit-down, legitimate, take that off, like review type thing, like a review and then book talk with spoilers and no spoilers. But I just kind of wanted to wrap up the vlog because I feel like it's weird to just cut it there. I liked it. I'm not absolutely 100% in love with it. I waited, it's 2 days later. I waited 2 days because I was trying to figure out what I was going to rate this, because on one hand I wanted to give it 5 stars, but on the other hand I wanted to give it 3 stars. So I've settled for a solid 4 out of 5 stars. Like I said, I have a lot of thoughts, so I'm filming a sit down chatty video about that right after this. But yeah, thank you for hanging out with me. Go down below and let me know whether or not you've read the book, whether or not you plan on reading the book, because I realized that it hasn't even been out for a week. Well, it's a week today. It's been out for a week today, so when I'm filming this and also maybe uploading this, we'll see, TBD. Yes, thank you so much for spending, I don't know how much time with me, some time with me. I will see you very soon. Goodbye, friends. Mwah.